Hello everybody, welcome to Ria Kushwaha channel. Today we are going to learn about mindful eating, a path to the healthy body. That's the third chapter of the NCERT. So this is mindful eating, a path to the healthy body. Now let's move to the next slide. So the next slide is all about the context. Context means, now the first question comes in your mind, what is context? Context means what we're going to learn in the chapter. Now introduction. First of all, we're going to learn about the introduction. Introduction, you can see, is the what is food. Then why do we need food? What is the origin of food? What are the components of food? How many nutrients are there in the components of food? There are only 5 nutrients. We are going to learn about the components of food in detail then test of the components of the food. What are deficiency disease and some deficiencies of vitamins and minerals, and what is mindful eating in the last. So first of all, let's move to the introduction. Means what is food? Now, what is food? Over here, what is food? Any substance consumed to provide nutritional support to the body is known as food. Now, anything that you eat, consumed means eat. Consumed means eat. Okay. Now, anything that you eat and it provides nutritional support. Nutrition support means it gives us energy. Okay. So that's and that gives you a nutrition support to the body is known as food. Now, food eaten is the combination of organic and inorganic substances. It's a combination of organic and inorganic substances from which organisms derive energy and materials for growth and maintenance of their body. Now, what does this paragraph means? This means food that we eat or that is consumed is a combination of organic and inorganic substances. Now, what are organic substances? Organic substances are the substance that have covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Covalent bonds are the one that has CH bond, carbon and hydrogen bonding. Now, inorganic means we have learned what is organic. Inorganic means the opposite, means the one that is not having covalent bond or CH bond, that is carbon and hydrogen bond. Now, organic bond, when the carbon and the hydrogen bonds break, it is to release energy. It is to release energy. When it release energy, it is good for us. It also gives nutritional support to our body also. Okay. And this which over here, that which organism derive energy and materials for growth and maintenance of the body. When we eat the food that is a combination of the organic and inorganic substances, what happens? Nothing. Just the organism gets. Derive means, over here, derive means get. Okay, to get something. Derive means to get energy. Derive energy means to get energy. Okay. And energy for what? For materials for growth and the maintenance of the body. Maintenance of a body means the proper structure of the body. To get the proper structure of the body. Okay. So now, what is food we have learned? Now, what is the important of food? Why do people say don't skip your meal? You need to eat food. What is the important of food? Why do we say don't waste food? Now, why do we need food? We need food for energy and we need food for growth. Now, this you have seen that game tug of war. I think you have played it also. Now that in the playing tug of war, you need energy. When you have energy over here, when you have energy, so you can see, right? You can what in if you have energy, you can see, you can walk, you can eat, you can grow. All of these happens because of what? Because of food. Now, when we eat food, we gain energy. When we have energy, we can also eat, we can also grow, we can also walk, we can also see. Without food or energy, you can see in total, we cannot even blink our eyes. And for growth also, now this is a little seed over here. Then when it gets food and nutrition, it becomes a seedling, a seedling. Okay, then it used to grow and then become like this. Then one day it will also become a tree also. Okay, so now one more thing, that is for protection. We need food for protection also. Now there are so many germs over here. Okay, so many germs. Now I'm sitting over here and you are also sitting on a place. Now around you on your desktop, everywhere you can see that microorganisms, so small. Okay, they're so small that you cannot even see, if you, because our eyes do not have that lens. Okay, that zoomed lens, that the lens cannot zoom to a particular point. But if you see a microorganism and see like this, then you can see it. Okay, so over here a microorganism is present everywhere. So some contains virus and bacteria also. So viruses are always harmful for us, while bacteria are not. Some harmful, some not harmful. So all the viruses are harmful, but bacteria, some are harmful, some are not. So all of the virus, bacteria are roaming around. Now if you eat food, our immune system. This is our immune system over here, like it's a shield like type, that it will stop the germs, the harmful germs. The good bacteria can come inside, but the harmful germs will avoid out. They will come inside. The good one will come inside, the harmful will not. So if the immune system is not good, means we are not eating food. So these all germs, the harmful germs will come inside, and the bacteria that are good for us also, they can also come, that can accumulate the number of virus. Okay, so okay, so now let's see what is the origin of food. Now what is the word origin over here? Now word origin means, where does it come from? Where does it come from? Anything comes from something before. So where does it come from? Over here, where does the food come from? Now food comes from two categories, that is the plant origin and the animal origin. The plant origin can be avocado, broccoli, spinach, capsicum, cucumber, tomato, then so many things. Okay, that's for the veggies. Okay, that are for the veggies, the one that eat vegetables, right? Only, yeah, that are these, they come from the plant origins. But animals origins over here, you can have eggs, you can have the chicken over here, they are for the non-veg. Okay, so there are two types of, okay, there are two types of origin of the food. They are the plants origin and they are the animals origin. Okay, so I have hope that you understand till here. So this is all for today. Then the continuation of the chapter in the next video. Still stay tuned, like, subscribe and share, and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye. Take care.